Hello friends, welcome to a new recipe in my channel Kaloshona. Today we start with one of the most basic and staple recipes in our Bengali cuisine, Uche Alu Makha or Uche Alu Sheddo as it is called in Bengali. Sheddo means boiled, that is mashed potatoes with bitter gourd. So we start with potatoes, we cut them up into smaller pieces. As we are going to use pressure cooker, do not make the pieces very small, but if you use an open pot, do make them smaller so that they are well boiled. Also, the bitter gourd has to be cut into pieces so that it will be well boiled. This is a beautiful recipe, believe me. Though simple, it tastes wonderful, and when taken at the beginning of your diet, it is supposed to increase your appetite. Bitter gourd or the bitter recipes are supposed to be taken at first before beginning your meal so that they enhance your appetite. So if you like my recipes, please do subscribe to my channel and encourage me further for bringing such new recipes to your notice. And even if you don't like it, please bother to comment what you didn't like about my recipe. And to everyone, do like, share, comment and subscribe in order to make my channel grow. This is a very small channel trying to give you the basics of your recipes in the most homely way possible. So we take a pressure cooker, coming back to the recipe, and use adequate water. By adequate I mean enough water just to cover the veggies. If we use too much of water, then the veggies will become mushy and soft and you won't be able to make a round ball of mashed potatoes. So be careful about the amount of water you are using. Now we close the lid and use full flame and thereby bring the pressure to a full pressure and wait for the first whistle. Here comes the first whistle. There, this is the first whistle. Now lower the flame and wait for the second whistle. See, the second whistle is about to come. There, it's simmering now, and after the second whistle comes, we just switch off the flame and allow them to simmer inside the pressure cooker. There, it's still simmering, and here comes the second whistle. I switch off the flame and allowed the pressure cooker to cool by itself. So after it is cooled, take out the veggies by using a sieve. I am using a hand sieve or a chanta or a chakni as we call it in Bengali. So here is the vegetable. The condition of the vegetables indicates that it's already well boiled and soft, but they shouldn't be mushy. So here I am taking it out with the help of a chakni or a sieve and placing it in a wide open place so that they cool down very easily. You have to allow them to cool down before you touch them or peel the skins because they are extremely hot when taken out from the hot water. So after a little bit of cooling down, I'm just pressing them and taking out the skin of the potatoes and mixing them or mashing them here. I take out the skin of the potatoes. They come off very easily as you can see, and also you have to crush the bitter gourd. The skin will come off very easily if it's well boiled. Here, look how easily they are coming off. These recipes are unique to the Bengali cuisine, not found anywhere else. Though people use mashed potatoes, but to use them on a regular basis in diet is unique to our Bengali way of life. So if you like these unique recipes, please do follow my channel Kaloshona in YouTube for such numerous recipes cooked in a homely way and the easiest method because you have lots of methods of cooking recipes and by using very little oil and spices. I guarantee you this is one of the most homely channels you can find. Please do watch the video till the end. Look how I am mashing the potatoes and the bitter gourd with my hand. You can use a smasher of course, but this is traditionally done in this way by using your hand and with a lot of care and love going into the mashing. This is a semi-solid dish and it is used on the side of your rice dish, especially on the right side, so that you can begin by eating with it. There, now we are adding a little bit of salt and mustard oil to give it that pungent taste. Mustard oil is optional, you may or may not use it, but traditionally we use mustard oil in any sheddo or boiled dishes to make them tastier. So this is raw mustard oil that I am using. You might or might not use it. Now I'm taking it out into a separate bowl and we'll make rounds of these mashed potatoes and place them on the right side of our rice dish so that everybody can begin with the bitter gourd. Watch the recipe of Bengali special thali in my channel to see how this is placed. Here we are taking it out. Now you are free to enjoy your lunch and mashed potatoes with bitter gourd. Thank you.